In this video, a double-dose platelet concentrate will be prepared from a pool of 7 Buffy coats and subsequently treated with Intercept.
After watching this video, you should have a good understanding of how to produce a pathogen inactivated double-dose platelet concentrate.
First, we present a schematic overview, followed by a demonstration. First, 7 units of donated whole blood are centrifuged and separated to yield 7 Buffy coat units that meet volume and hematocrit targets. The Buffy coats are connected, pooled, and centrifuged. The platelet suspension is then separated from the residual red blood cells to produce a double-dose platelet concentrate. To inactivate pathogens and leukocytes, the double-dose platelet concentrate is treated using the Intercept system, which cross-links nucleic acids. Ultimately, this procedure yields 2 therapeutic platelet doses with acceptable in vitro quality over 7 days of storage, as determined by assessment of pH, glucose, lactate, PO2, and PCO2.
Charlotte Doverud, a technician from my blood center, will demonstrate the procedure. The processing requirements we will describe first ensure that the double-dose platelet concentrate meets the Intercept processing specifications of 300 to 420 milliliters volume, 2.5 to 7 times 10 to the 11 the platelet dose, and less than 4 times